Hello students, 10th CBSE formula, surface area and volume, cuboid, perimeter 4 into L plus B plus H, total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, lateral surface area 2 into L plus B into H, length of diagonal root of L square plus B square plus H square, volume equal to L into B into H, cube, perimeter 12A, total surface area 6A square, lateral surface area 4A square, length of diagonal root 3A, volume A cube, cone. L equal to root of h square plus r square, h equal to root of L square minus r square, r equal to root of L square minus h square. Total surface area of cone pi r, L plus r, curved surface area pi r L, volume equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Cylinder, total surface area 2 pi r h plus r, curved surface area 2 pi r h, volume equal to pi r square h. Sphere, total surface area equal to 4 pi r square, curved surface area equal to 4 pi r square, volume 4